Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you all are doing amazing today. In this video, we are going to talk about a topic that many English learners struggle with: how to talk to people in English. Speaking English can feel intimidating at first. Even if you know grammar and vocabulary, many learners hesitate to start conversations. You might fear making mistakes, being judged, or not being understood. But here's the good news: talking to people in English is a skill. And like any skill, it can be improved with practice and the right mindset. Today, I'm going to share practical tips, daily exercises, real-life stories, and motivational strategies that will help you talk to people in English confidently and naturally. Part 1. Understanding the challenge. Many learners face similar challenges when trying to speak English: fear of mistakes, worrying about saying something wrong, limited vocabulary. Not knowing the right words slows down conversation. Grammar anxiety. Overthinking grammar mistakes can stop you from speaking. Pronunciation issues. Mispronounced words can reduce clarity, shyness, or lack of confidence. Feeling nervous prevents you from starting a conversation. The first step to improving your English is understanding these challenges and accepting that they are normal. Part 2. Changing your mindset. By practicing English speaking, you need to develop the right mindset. Embrace mistakes. Every error is an opportunity to learn. Focus on communication, not perfection. Being understood matters more than flawless grammar. Celebrate small wins. Every new word or sentence you say is progress. Be curious and open. Treat conversations as learning opportunities, not exams. When you have this mindset, speaking English becomes less stressful and much more enjoyable. Part 3. Building vocabulary for conversation. Vocabulary is the foundation of communication. Without the right words, it's hard to express yourself. Here's how to improve your vocabulary for talking. Learn everyday words and phrases. Focus on greetings, small talk, and commonly used expressions. For example, how are you? I think that, or that sounds interesting. Use phrases instead of single words. Phrases make your speech sound natural. Read and listen actively. Books, articles, movies, and podcasts are great ways to notice new words. Practice new words in sentences. Don't just memorize. Use words in real conversations. Create a vocabulary notebook. Write new words with meanings and examples. Part 4. Improving pronunciation and accent. Even if you know many words, unclear pronunciation can create misunderstandings. Here's how to improve. Listen to native speakers. Pay attention to pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Shadowing. Repeat sentences exactly as you hear them, mimicking tone and pace. Focus on difficult sounds. English sounds like th, r, l, and vowel combinations can be tricky. Record yourself. Listening to your own voice helps identify mistakes. Speak slowly at first. Slow speech improves clarity. Part 5. Starting conversation. Start a conversation can be intimidating, but it's easier than you think. Use greetings. Simple phrases like hello, how are you, or good morning are perfect. Ask questions. People enjoy talking about themselves. Ask where are you from or what do you do. Talk about common topics. Weather, movies, hobbies, and daily activities are safe topics. Listen actively, pay attention, and respond to what the other person says. Use body language, smiling, and gestures make conversations friendlier. Part 6. Keeping the conversation going once you start talking. You need strategies to keep the conversation flowing. Ask follow-up questions. Show interest in the other person's answers. Share your own thoughts. Balance listening with talking about yourself. Use transitional phrases. Phrases like "that's interesting because," or "I also think," make speech smooth. Clarify when needed. If you don't understand, say, "Can you explain that differently?" Practice small talk. Conversations with strangers or acquaintances help build confidence. Part 7. Overcoming fear of mistakes. Many learners avoid speaking because they fear mistakes. Here's how to overcome that fear. Accept mistakes as part of learning. Everyone makes them. Focus on communication. Being understood matters more than perfection. Learn from mistakes. Correct errors without self-criticism. Practice daily. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Join English speaking groups, clubs, or online communities offer supportive practice. Part 8. Daily practice strategy. Essence is key. Here are ways to practice speaking. English daily. Talk to yourself. Describe your day or thoughts out loud. Record conversations. Even solo practice helps improve fluency. Speak with friends or family. Encourage English-only conversations at home. Use online platforms. Language exchanges allow you to speak with native speakers. Read aloud. Reading books, articles, or scripts improves fluency and pronunciation. Part 9. Stories of success. Let me share a story. Arjun, a student, was shy and afraid to speak English. He started talking to himself for 10 minutes daily and joined an online speaking club. Within 6 months, he confidently conversed with strangers in English. Another example is Priya, who struggled with pronunciation. She started shadowing English movies, recording her voice, and practicing difficult sounds. Today, she speaks fluently and is often complimented on her clarity. These stories show that practice, patience, and the right strategies lead to success. Part 10. Tools and resources. YouTube channels. Learn phrases, pronunciation, and conversation skills. Apps. Duolingo, HelloTalk, or Elsa Speak help with speaking practice. Podcasts and audiobooks. Listening improves comprehension and rhythm. Language exchange platforms. Speak with native or fluent speakers online. Accent and pronunciation. Books. Structured learning of difficult sounds. Part 11. Motivation and mindset. Speaking English is a journey. Mistakes are normal. Small daily practices are more effective than occasional long sessions. Confidence grows with persistence and courage. Every conversation improves your fluency, even short ones. Celebrate small wins. Each sentence you speak is progress. Part 12. Sample daily routine. Morning. Listen to English podcasts for 10 minutes. Afternoon. Talk to a friend, family member, or online partner for 15 minutes. Evening. Shadow sentences from movies or YouTube videos. Night. Record yourself speaking and review pronunciation and grammar. Part 13. Final thoughts. Talking to people in English is not about perfection. It's about communication, confidence, and consistent practice. Every conversation, every sentence helps you improve. Mistakes are normal. And your accent or grammar does not define your ability to communicate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this inspires you to talk to people in English confidently and practice daily. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational, educational, and practical content. Keep speaking, stay confident, and remember, every conversation is a step toward fluency.